Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ollo card on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Ollo account on your computer or your Ollo card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in ollocard.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Ollo card login on the Google itself, and you can see the secure.ollocard.com, which is the direct login page of Ollo card itself. But on the first tab, we are still on the home page of the Ollo. Now to log into your Ollo account from over here, either you can enter your username and password over here and directly click on sign in to log into your Ollo account from over here, or your Ollo card account from over here, or you can click on the sign in on the top right corner of your screen, and you can also sign in from over here. Enter your username and your password over here and click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Ollo card account from over here. And so guys, this is how you log into your Ollo card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.